Hello, coin lovers. South Africa, Malaysia, and USA. Coins full information. First coin South Africa, second coin Malaysia, and third coin USA and collectors. Enjoy for video South Africa. Welcome back to Old Coin Vault, the place where history meets hidden value. Today's video is very special because we're traveling back to 1963, exploring a beautiful and historic coin from South Africa. The 2.5 cents 1963 coin. Some collectors are paying up to $9.50 for this coin today. But why is it valuable? Is it rare? And do you have one hiding in your collection? Watch this video till the end to find out everything you need to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an old coin value update. Let's start with the basics. Country: South Africa. Denomination: 2.5 cents a year. 1963 currency system. Pre-decimal South African coinage type. Circulation coin. This coin was issued during a very important time in South African history. Just 2 years after the country became a republic in 1961, the 2.5 cents coin was part of South Africa's old monetary system before decimalization in 1961. 1964, during the early 1960s, South Africa was redefining its national identity, and coins like this one represented sovereignty, trade, and everyday life. These small value coins were used daily by millions of people, making well-preserved examples harder to find today. That's where collector value begins. Now let's look closely at the design. Obverse, front side, features the South African coat of arms, symbolizes unity, strength, and national pride. Clean, bold design common to early republic coins. Reverse, backside, displays the denomination 2.5 cents a year, 1963, clearly marked. Simple but classic layout. The design may look simple, but collectors love it for its historical authenticity. Metal composition: bronze shape, round edge, plain color, brown to dark brown depending on age and condition. Bronze coins age beautifully, and natural toning can actually increase value if the coin is well preserved. Condition plays a huge role in value. Here's how collectors grade it. Poor/worn. Heavy scratches, faded details fine, some details visible very fine. Clear design, moderate wear extremely fine, sharp details, light wear. Uncirculated, no wear, original mint shine. Uncirculated coins are the most valuable. Now the question everyone asks: how much is the 1963 South Africa 2.5 cent coin worth? Average market value: up to $9.50. Value depends on condition, collector demand, market trends. Rare high-grade examples may sell for even more in auctions. If you own this coin, do not clean it. Store it in a coin holder or capsule. Avoid moisture and fingerprints. Consider professional grading. Old coins are like time capsules. Once damaged, value is lost forever. The 1963 South Africa 2.5 cents coin may look small, but carries big history and solid collector value. If you have one, you might be holding a $9.50 treasure in your hands. Comment below. Do you own this coin? Would you sell it or keep it? Subscribe to Old Coin Vault for more rare coin values, history, and hidden treasures. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Malaysia to be continued. Second coin Malaysia. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Old Coin Vault. If you love discovering the hidden value of old and foreign coins, you're in the right place. Today we're taking a close look at a small but interesting coin, the 1 cent 2007 coin from Malaysia. You might think 1 cent is worth almost nothing, but some examples are valued around 78 cents in the collector market. Let's dive in and uncover the full story behind this Malaysian coin. Let's start with the basics. Country: Malaysia. Denomination: 1 cent year. 2007 currency system. Malaysian ringgit issuer: Bank Negara Malaysia. The cent is the smallest unit of Malaysian currency, and 100 cent make 1 ringgit. Obverse, front side. On the front of the coin, you'll see the denomination 1 sen, a traditional Malaysian floral design. Clean, simple styling meant for everyday use. This design reflects Malaysia's cultural identity and natural beauty. Reverse, backside, on the reverse side. The national emblem in year 2007 Bank Negara Malaysia. Inscription, the design, represents Malaysia's sovereignty and economic authority. Here are the physical details of the 1 cent 2007 coin. Material, copper-plated steel shape. Round color, reddish-brown weight. Approximate, 2.5 grams edge. Plain because it's copper-plated steel, the coin is magnetic, which is a quick way to identify it. The 2007 1 cent coin was minted in large quantities for circulation. However, over time, many coins became damaged, some were removed from circulation. High-grade examples became harder to find. That's where collector value comes in. Now let's talk about the value, which everyone wants to know. Estimated market value, up to 78 cents USD, but this value depends on condition. Uncirculated coins are worth more. Demand from collectors, coin grading errors, or special strikes. If any, circulated coins usually sell for less, while mint condition coins attract higher prices in online coin markets. That if you own this coin, here are some tips. Do not clean the coin, store it in a coin hold, check for mint errors, compare prices on collector platforms, keep it if in excellent condition. Even small coins can gain value over time. So there you have it. The 1 cent 2007 Malaysia coin, a small denomination with real collector interest. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share, and subscribe to Old Coin Vault for more rare coin values and world currency history. Comment below and tell us, have you ever found Malaysian coin in your collection? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. USA, to be continue. The end of USA, the last video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Third coin USA, last video to end watch. Hello everyone, welcome back to Old Coin Vault, the channel where small coins reveal big stories. Today's video is all about a very special American coin, the 2009 1 cent Lincoln penny, known as the Formative Years in Indiana design. At first glance, it looks like a normal penny, but collectors know this coin tells an important story about Abraham Lincoln's early life. And yes, some examples are valued at around 50 cents or even more. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this penny matters and whether you should keep one in your collection. In 2009, the United States Mint released 4 special Lincoln penny designs to celebrate the 200th birthday of Abraham Lincoln. Each design represents a different stage of Lincoln's life. 1. Birth and early childhood in Kentucky. 2. Formative years in Indiana, today's coin. 3. Professional life in Illinois. 4. Presidency in Washington, D.C. The formative years penny honors the time Lincoln spent in Indiana, where he grew from a boy into a hard-working young man. This period shaped his character, values, and love for learning. On the front of the coin, we see the familiar portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor David Brenner. You'll notice the word liberty on the left, I in God, we trust. Along the top, the date, 2009, the mint mark D or P, depending on where it was made. This classic Lincoln portrait has appeared on U.S. pennies for over a century. The reverse side is where this coin becomes truly special. It shows a young Abraham Lincoln sitting on a log, reading a book. Behind him is a simple Indiana log cabin. This design symbolizes self-education, hard work, determination. The inscriptions include United States of America, e pluribus unum 1 cent. This artwork beautifully represents Lincoln's hunger for knowledge during his youth. Here are the technical details of the coin. Country, United States of America. Denomination, 1 cent. Year, 2009. Composition, 97.5% zinc, 2.5% copper, copper-plated zinc. Weight, 2.5 grams. Diameter, 19.05 millimeters. Edge, plain. These specs match modern U.S. pennies, but the design is what sets this coin apart. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know. Value. Circulated condition, 5 cents to $0.20. Uncirculated condition, 25 cents to 50 cents. Brilliant uncirculated or mint roll examples can sometimes go above 50-cent coins with sharp details, bright luster, and no damage are the most desirable. Remember, condition is everything in coin collecting. Some 2009 Lincoln pennies may have off-center strikes, die cracks weak, or missing details error. Coins can be worth much more than standard examples. If you find anything unusual, don't spend it. Get it checked by a coin expert. Absolutely. Even though this coin is not extremely rare, it holds strong historical value. It's part of a limited commemorative series and is very popular among collectors. If you find one in great condition, it's worth adding to your collection or keeping it safely stored. The 2009 Abraham Lincoln Formative Years penny is more than just 1 cent. It's a tribute to perseverance, learning, and American history. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. This is Old Coin Vault, and I'll see you in the next treasure hunt. Next video: USA, Canada, India, Malaysia, South Africa, UK, China, Japan.